Hello everyone, and in this video I will show you how to control EVA ICS with Node-RED and use them together. So EVA ICS is powerful IoT cloud platform. You can build your own cloud and connect all your equipment and use EVA ICS built-in logic manager PLC to control everything. But if you want to use Node-RED, there is absolutely no problem to do it. So let me show you. Here is very simple setup. We have one sensor for temperature and we have one unit. Let's call it virtual fan, which should start when temperature reach some level. So, and here is very simple dashboard I built with EVA JS framework. So you just watch sensor temperature and puts the value to HTML and watch our fan and puts the proper image. So let's test sensor. You see it's changing in real time. So let's connect Node-RED. Here is Node-RED, standard install. I just added JSON RPC call component, but you can use EVA ICS without it. And actually in this video, we'll use MQTT only. So if EVA ICS is set up with MQTT, it sends all metrics to MQTT. It's synchronize all components via MQTT located on different nodes, and you can use MQTT to control EVA ICS units. So let's do with MQTT. Here is MQTT in, and already configured EVA ICS local MQTT server. It's on my local host. It's running Mosquito. So, and the topic will be very simple. Just get our object ID of this sensor and copy paste and set. Just replace double dot with slash. And output put to JSON because sometimes it doesn't auto detect it properly. So here is the sensor, and let's analyze what it provides. We can write a JavaScript function, but I will use a simple switch. Let's put a switch. Let's connect. And here is a message payload. Actually, state minus p sensor will give you moment sensor. So the same JSON will be sent to MQTT, and you see here is field called value. Values in EVA ICS are always strings, but Node-RED will parse it as number automatically because it's JavaScript. And let's do if temperature goes above 25, we'll go to output 1. But otherwise, let's do no hysteresis, let's do no gaps, just otherwise. If temperature goes below 25, we'll go to output number 2. And that's all for logic. And output number 1 should send to EVA ICS a control command to turn the fan on. We can send just 1 or 0 for all, but we can send full JSON command. So let's send it in full, and status will be 1. It's JSON. Let's call it on and connect if it below, so above or equals 25. And the second command will be off. Status is 0 and connected to switch number 2. And now we send it to MQTT output. It's very important. EVA ICS by default doesn't accept control commands from MQTT unless you set this property in configuration. So we can set it manually for unit. We are going to control unit test1. Here is field called MQTT control. and we should set it to EVA_1, as EVA_1 is usually a default MQTT notifier in EVA ICS. So config set unit MQTT control EVA1. It's automatically sent, and let's connect everything to MQTT. Output, and the topic to control this unit, this virtual fan we have, will be unit, replace double dot with slash, and put the suffix called control. So to let it accept control commands. So we have set up ready. Let's deploy it and let's test. Go to dashboard, update sensor with value 10, with value 26, with value 20, with value 25. So you see it works properly. So as you see, Node-RED is a very powerful tool to automate EVA ICS. If you want to have some visual tool, because EVA ICS logic manager requires you to write text macros in Python. But here you can use JavaScript. If you like JavaScript, if you like to have it more visual, please use Node-RED. You're welcome. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.